Welcome to Stock Market Today. I'm Tony, and I'm thrilled to have you join us as we navigate the latest developments in the financial markets. Today, we're diving into the mixed sentiments that have characterized the stock market recently. And to help us unpack all of this, we have market expert Matt with us. Welcome, Matt.
Thanks for having me, Tony. It's great to be here.
So, Matt, today we saw the S&P 500 ETF Trust dip slightly by about 0.75%. What's behind this cautious sentiment among investors?
Well, Tony, the slight dip reflects a mix of apprehension and optimism among investors. With ongoing economic uncertainties and geopolitical factors at play, many are taking a more cautious approach. It's a classic case of weighing potential risks against opportunities.
That makes sense. It's interesting to see how, despite the overall downtrend, some stocks really stood out today. For instance, one stock surged by an impressive 132%. What can you tell us about that?
Absolutely. That was INBS, which saw a remarkable gain due to positive news regarding its latest advancements in biotechnology. Such breakthroughs can really capture investor interest and boost market confidence.
Wow, that's quite a leap. And we also saw significant gains from other stocks like ANGH, which climbed by 62.5%, and WTO, which saw over a 60% increase. What can you attribute their success to?
Yes, ANGH benefited from a strategic partnership announcement, which is expected to strengthen its market position. Meanwhile, WTO's robust quarterly earnings exceeded expectations, which is always a good sign for attracting investor attention.
It's fascinating to see how partnerships and earnings reports can really influence stock performance. But on the flip side, we can't ignore the significant declines we saw today as well. For instance, one stock plummeted by over 68%. What happened there?
That was SMX, which faced some tough regulatory setbacks that really shook investor confidence. When companies encounter such issues, it can lead to sharp declines, as we've seen here.
And I noticed other stocks like ILLR and GVH also faced significant losses. What's the broader picture here?
Well, these losses highlight ongoing challenges in sectors like pharmaceuticals and agriculture. Regulatory hurdles and market dynamics can create significant pressures, and investors are feeling the impact.
So, it sounds like volatility is the name of the game right now. What should investors keep in mind as they navigate these mixed sentiments?
Investors should stay informed about sector trends and individual stock performances. The biotech and technology sectors are showing promise, but traditional sectors are facing challenges. Keeping an eye on macroeconomic factors and geopolitical uncertainties will be crucial in the coming weeks.
Great advice, Matt. Before we wrap up, could you share a few key takeaways for our listeners?
Of course. First, stay alert to sector trends. Biotech and tech are currently thriving. Second, be cautious with investments in sectors facing regulatory pressures. And lastly, keep an eye on macroeconomic developments. They can significantly impact market dynamics.
Thank you, Matt. It's always a pleasure to have your insights on the show. And thank you to our listeners for tuning in to Stock Market Today. Remember to stay informed and make wise investment choices. Until next time.